In this video I will show you how to fix oil pressure low warning light step by step. If your low oil light is illuminated on your car's dashboard, it's crucial to address it promptly to prevent potential engine damage. Here are steps to fix the low oil light issue. Step 1. Check oil level. Park your car on a level surface and allow the engine to cool down for a few minutes. Locate the oil dipstick, usually with a brightly colored handle, under the hood. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then pull it out again to check the oil level. Ensure the oil level is within the recommended range marked on the dipstick. Step 2. Add oil if needed. If the oil level is below the recommended range, you need to add oil. Refer to your car's owner's manual to determine the correct type and viscosity of oil for your vehicle. Add oil gradually, checking the dipstick periodically to avoid overfilling. Step 3. Check for leaks. If the oil level is consistently low despite regular top-ups, it could indicate an oil leak. Inspect the engine, oil pan, and surrounding components for any signs of oil leaks, such as puddles or drips underneath the car. Address any leaks promptly to prevent further oil loss. Step 4. Dirty and clogged oil filter. A clogged or faulty oil filter can restrict oil flow, leading to low oil pressure and triggering the low oil light. It's usually recommended to change the oil filter each time you change your engine oil. Step 5. Bad oil pump. Problems with your oil pump could be the result of a handful of things, including oil contamination, a clogged oil pickup tube, or improper installation. It's important to repair or replace the pump immediately if it's bad, since the oil pump plays a critical role in distributing oil to your engine's components. Step 6. Verify oil pressure sensor. If the oil level is adequate and there are no visible leaks, the low oil light could be due to a malfunctioning oil pressure sensor. If you're unable to resolve the low oil light issue on your own, or if you're unsure about any steps, it's advisable to seek assistance from a professional mechanic. Ignoring the low oil light can lead to severe engine damage and costly repairs in the long run.